give this another shot? Toothless, it'll be fine. Ready? Bill makes for some pretty sloppy rescue maneuvers, hey? Looks like we found another one, bud. So, what should we name it? Night Fury. Wouldn't that be something? So what do you say? It's not me, Astrid. All those speeches and planning and running the village, that's his thing.
I think you're missing the point.
I'm not like you. You know exactly who... Maybe. But you know, there is something out there.
Hiccup.
Don't worry, bud. I'm not gonna let anything happen to you. I promise. Well, bud, we can't wait around for Drago to attack this place. We've got to find him first. Let's go.
That's your mother?
Well, now you know where I get my dramatic flair. What are you? No, I'm not a demon. I'm not a demon. See? Just a guy. Just a guy here to rescue these dragons. So, that's really just a nitwit who forgot to fireproof his butt.
Supposed to be a stealth mission.
Yeah, they always start that way.
This is Chief Hiccup. Oh.
I will never give him up.
Thing you love.
I don't see a way of staying here any longer. Off the map. Take the dragons to a place where no one will find them. We are dragon people. It's where we belong. Oh, thanks for supporting me last night. It meant a lot. It's okay. If Grimmel is leading them here, we have to take him out of the mix by going there to capture him. Okay, guys, just keep your helmets on. Toothless and I will... Really?
How did you escape?
Wait. Grimmel let you go.
So dumb.
Toothless.
Oh, don't.
You're back to where you started. But I was the first to believe in you. And I have watched you doubt whether you're worthy ever since. But you know what? I am the person I am today because of you. I never told you that, but it's true. You are the bravest, most stubborn, most determined knucklehead I know. Toothless didn't give you that, Hiccup. He just made it
easier.
And
probably something stupid. Trust me,